Okay, so welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to be breaking down today's trade that I took on the NASDAQ today. So I ended up taking this sell trade for a 1 to 2 right there, and this is the proof of entry right here. I don't want to show you how much I made here, and this was a sell trade I ended up taking. As you can see, you have the proof of entry right there. So I ended up taking my first TP right here and my final take profit at sell side right there. Alright, so let's break it down. So as you can see, at London session, when New York session opened, we ended up pushing way high and taking out London highs. So at this point, because of this huge push to the upside and taking out buy side liquidity, I am treating this as a Judas swing. So I am looking for sells at this point. And also, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we are going to see that we had a 1 hour fair value gap there, right? So let's keep that in mind. We have a 1 hour fair value gap there, and if we go back, as you can see, price just pushed all the way high, but price didn't close above the consequent encroachment with the body. So the wick do the damage, but the body still stays below the consequent encroachment of that 1 hour bearish fair value gap, right? So at this point, I am expecting price to just keep pushing to the downside, right? After seeing these rejections of this 1 hour bearish fair value gap, right? So I saw this 3 minutes fair value gap here. I want to take a sell trade when I see price break below this bullish fair value gap, and that was what I did. So on the 1 minute time frame which we are on, price was pushing down. Price pushed price pushed all the way down with volatility. Then when price came back to retest and ended up taking my sell trade right there. But after this, for a moment, price actually broke bearish order flow. As you can see here, we ended up making a 1 minute inverse fair value gap here, which was starting to create a bullish order flow right there. But fortunately for me, we ended up breaking that bullish order flow, because as you can see here, we ended up tapping into that 1 hour fair value gap in once more again, and then that was when we started pushing to the downside. So when price pushed down, as you can see, we have this huge push to the downside. Price came up again to tap into this 1 minute fair value gap once more. So at this point, we can see a bearish fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, and another bearish fair value gap, right? So it is literally creating a crazy balanced price range right here. So at this point, I am expecting to see price just bleed to the downside, and that was what I saw. So price came back, retested into that balanced price range. As you can see, price pushed all the way down, taking my first TP and putting my stops to break even right there, and then taking out my sell side liquidity right there. So that was basically today's trade, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.